Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best solar panels of 2025. Whether you're powering your home, RV, or off-grid cabin, these solar panels offer the latest in energy efficiency, durability, and performance. We'll break down the top models on the market, comparing their output, build quality, and overall value. If you're thinking about going green or upgrading your current setup, you won't want to miss this. All product links are in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more energy-saving tips. Let's get into it. Starting at number 5, the Xinpuguang solar panel is a durable, highly efficient solar panel designed for outdoor use in motorhomes, RVs, boats, and camping settings. Built with PET plastic cover film and 4 EVA layers, this panel is designed to withstand harsh conditions, including rain, snow, and hail. Its durability is enhanced by a reinforced box package that provides good heat dissipation and reduces the risk of hot spots, ensuring a long lifespan. Weighing less and being thinner than traditional solar panels, it's ideal for users looking for a lightweight portable solution. The Xinpuguang panel has 6 pre-drilled holes on the back, allowing for quick installation using screws or adhesives. Its compact form and reduced weight make it easy to carry and install on various surfaces, such as vehicle roofs, tents, or boats. The panel also features pre-installed bypass diodes, which reduce power loss during shading, ensuring consistent performance in different lighting conditions. This makes it a reliable option for outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners looking for an affordable, high-performance energy solution. With its strong build and high efficiency, the Xinpuguang solar panel is a great investment for both outdoor and home energy applications. At number 4, the Asinerge flexible solar panel is a versatile and powerful option for various uses, including RVs, boats, trucks, and homes. Offering higher than average efficiency at 23%, it outperforms many standard panels on the market. One of its standout features is the integrated blocking diode, which prevents reverse current drain at night, ensuring maximum energy efficiency throughout the day. Weighing only 3.74 pounds and measuring 0.1 inches thick, this solar panel is frameless, making it easy to install using adhesive, Velcro, or screws. It also includes 6 metal-reinforced mounting holes, allowing for easy attachment and removal. This flexibility makes it perfect for mounting on curved or uneven surfaces, such as the roofs of RVs or boats. Made from durable PET material, the Asinerge panel is resistant to high temperatures, stains, and water, ensuring longevity even in harsh weather conditions. The flexibility of the panel allows it to bend up to 20 degrees, offering installation versatility in spaces where rigid panels would not fit. Whether you're on the road, at sea, or reducing home energy costs, this solar panel offers efficiency, durability, and ease of use. At number 3, the Alpower's foldable solar panel stands out for its multiple output methods and high efficiency. With 120-watt solar cells reaching up to 22% efficiency, it's designed to power a range of devices, from laptops and portable generators to 12-volt car batteries. The panel includes a multi-contact 4 output for delivering up to 20 A of current, along with dual USB ports featuring iSolar technology for charging smaller gadgets like smartphones and tablets. This versatile output makes it ideal for travelers, campers, and anyone on the go. At just 9.9 pounds, it's much lighter than comparable solar panels, and its foldable design means it won't take up much space in your backpack or vehicle. The folded size of 22 x 14.2 x 0.2 inches makes it incredibly portable, and its waterproof nylon construction ensures it can withstand the elements, whether you're hiking in the rain or setting up camp in rugged terrain. Additionally, the Alpower's foldable solar panel is designed with safety in mind. It includes short-circuit and surge protection technology, keeping both you and your devices safe during use. Whether you're off-grid for a weekend or on an extended adventure, this solar panel is an excellent power source for all your energy needs. At number 2, the Big Sunlight Solar Panel Kit is a high-efficiency, durable solution for those looking for portable energy. Utilizing monocrystalline solar cells with a 21% conversion rate, this panel offers excellent performance in a compact form. One of its key features is the bypass diodes, which minimize power loss when shaded, ensuring continued power generation even in low light conditions. This makes it ideal for campers, RV owners, and anyone requiring reliable energy in unpredictable environments. At just 1 by 10 inches thick, the sunlight panel is remarkably thin, making it easy to install in discreet or space-limited areas, such as yacht or caravan roofs. The fact that it's 95% thinner than traditional rigid panels allows it to blend seamlessly into surfaces, making it a favorite for stealth solar applications. Despite its slim profile, it's designed to withstand extreme weather, including strong winds and heavy snow loads, providing long-lasting durability. The advanced polymer material reduces its weight by 70% compared to traditional panels, making it easy to transport and install without needing heavy tools or equipment. Compact and efficient, this solar panel is perfect for those seeking a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-use energy solution. At number 1, the Dokyo Flexible Foldable Solar Panel is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts and those needing a backup power source. Made with high-efficiency silicon materials, it provides long-term output stability. Its foldable, lightweight design makes it highly portable, perfect for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. With its space-saving form, you can easily pack it in a small area and unfold it when needed, making it a practical companion for off-grid adventures. One standout feature is the USB-connected controller, which optimizes power consumption while ensuring efficient energy transfer. This feature allows you to charge mobile phones, car batteries, and other devices without losing power, making it a reliable energy source when you're away from traditional electricity. The surface materials are another significant advantage, offering corrosion resistance, high temperature tolerance, stain resistance, and high light transmittance. These characteristics make the panel durable and effective even in challenging weather conditions. The flexibility to fold and store it compactly is a bonus, especially for those with limited space. Overall, the Dokyo solar panel is highly suitable for individuals looking for portable, high-efficiency power generation. Its durable build and lightweight design make it a great option for anyone seeking renewable energy solutions in outdoor settings.